welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is the RCA Amplified Indoor Flat HDTV Antenna Multidirectional. So, it can do 4K and 8K if you have that kind of TV. And it has automatic gain control. And what makes this different than the other ones, than the predecessor of this same type RCA, is this right here, the Smart Boost. It was designed and engineered in the USA, and I did get this for free. I just want to be transparent. I did not pay any money for this, but I will try to be objective. I will try. So let's open it up. So I've been testing this already. I put it back in the box just for demonstration. It has you can hang it if you want to, or you can do that. Anyway, that's not a big issue. The next thing is this right here. This is the power boost, the signal power boost. So you connect this to the TV and you connect the antenna right here. Okay, so let's go in the app. Let's start it up. Now it's buffering. So here's where you get to choose the channels that you want to find. I'm going to select all just in case. And let's see what we got. We got two. This one right here, and that other one. As you can see, I live far away. Okay, so let's go to the showroom and let's test this out and see how many channels we can get. Okay, so this review does come to an end right here. As we saw, it does pick up more channels. I would say approximately twice as much. It depends, because every time you do a scan, it picks up different amount of channels. Another thing you need to know about this is that it doesn't matter which way you point the antenna. It doesn't change the amount of channels that you get. I tested that. The only thing that does make a difference is if you put the antenna near a window, it will perform better if you put it near a window. But pointing it that way or that way or that way or up or down doesn't change anything. So the other test I did, and I did not show this on camera, but I did do a test because it's a long test. I don't want to show that on camera. Is this? I tried connecting the antenna without this, and I did ran the amount. I did a scan, and then I connected this with the antenna, and then I did a scan again, and this does make a difference. It seems like you would think that it doesn't do anything, but it actually does make a difference. Exactly how it works, I don't know how it works, but it does make a significant difference. As far as the channels that you get, you should be realistic about all this. If you think that by getting an antenna like this, you're going to somehow get rid of Netflix or get rid of your cable TV. Don't be fooled, because you're gonna get a lot of channels. As you saw, we got almost 100 channels or so. And the problem is that most of those channels were not very high quality channels. They had a lot of commercials. Some of them were just commercial, those as seen on TV channels, or kitchen cooking channels, all that infomercial channels. So you're just gonna get tons of that. So this is not a replacement for cable TV. It's not a replacement for Netflix. So having said that, I don't think there's anything else I have to say about this other than that it does work. And it does look nice on your wall. And do I recommend it? I do, but you have to be realistic. It is not a wonder machine. It's not you can't get rid of your cable service. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.